Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Daily Mathematics Tutor. This is my first video in our first section. The first section, we're gonna look at the arithmetic multiples and factors. Arithmetic multiples and factors. There is a formula of dealing with these arithmetic multiples and factors. The formula, we call it BODMAS. It's just an abbreviation. In most of our calculations, we'll be dealing with some short abbreviations in order to master what we'll be working on. On this one, we're going to deal with BODMAS. BODMAS is just an abbreviation whereby B stands for brackets, O others, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S suppression. It simply means we first deal with the brackets of division, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, lastly suppression. For example, we have this question which says 20. If the question is saying 20 minus 3 multiplying by 4, find the answer. Looking at this question, the sign which we have a minus here. A minus goes with the 3. We have a multiplication here which goes with a 4. Are we together? Then there is we'll get to know when we continue with our lesson. There is a silent plus here. There is a silent plus here. There is a silent plus here and a silent plus here. We'll take note of it on the second topic. Now, this is the question, our first question. We are going first to deal with the multiplication. Our multiplication, it goes like this. Minus 3 multiplying a silent plus 4. We take down our 20. That's the first stage. Take down our 20. Minus 3 multiplying 4. Minus 3, actually it's minus 3 multiplying a silent plus 4. It goes to be 12. Minus 12. It's minus 12. Minus 12. It's minus 12. That's the second stage. Now our question is on a simplest form. We can say 20 minus 12, which is 8. So our answer is 8. Our answer is 8. 20 minus 12. Our answer goes to be 8. That's our final answer. Now let's look at the second example. This was the first example, example number 1. Let's look at example number 2. Example number 2 says 30 divide, that's the sign for division, divide by open brackets 15 minus 12 close brackets. This is our second question. Now we go back to our formula, which is saying BODMAS. Bodimas tells us to look or to solve everything inside the brackets first. Okay. Inside our brackets, we have 12 minus, we have 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. We go down with what? With our 3. We take down our sign of division. We take down our 30. Now, our question remains is 30 divided by 3. Our question remains is 30 divided by 3. It's now on the simplest form. It's now on the simplest form. 30 divided by 3, answer is 10. That's our final answer, 10. That's our final answer. Now we have dealt with the 2 examples which are also different. The first example was about multiplication and subtraction. Now the second example, it included the division and the subtraction, which is inside the brackets. We have to note that inside the brackets. Our formula tells us to deal with everything inside the brackets first. Bodimas, I'll bring down that word. Bodimas. Bodimas. Don't forget that, and you have to master that word. It's very, very important. Now we have dealt with 2 examples. We have dealt with 2 examples. I will leave for you guys some questions to calculate. I'll leave for you some questions to calculate. I'm gonna take 3 questions to calculate. 3 questions to calculate. Then you do your exercises. I'll leave my email address after you have done your exercises. Then you submit them to my email address. I'll mark them. I'll give you some questions to deal with. This is the exercise. It's exercise number 1. Work out the following. Exercise number 1, I would like you to take exercise number 1A and F O. Okay, that's the exercise. Are you going to do for me, guys? It's A, F, and O. Thank you. That's for our today lesson. Thank you, guys.